Hi, this time we are going to learn how to say I like to eat something. Like to eat. For example, I like to eat mango. So you're going to say ganahan kong mukaon og mangga. Ganahan like kung means I, mukaon means eat, to eat. Mangga is mango. So ganahan kong mukaon og mangga. That's how you're going to say I like to eat mango. If you are going to say, I really like to eat mango. So you are going to say, ganahan kaayo means really or very. Ganahan kaayo kung mukaon og mangga. Ganahan kaayo kung mukaon og mangga. Okay? So I want to eat banana. Ganahan kung mukaon og saging. Banana is saging. Ganahan kay kung mukaon og popcorn. I really want to eat I want to eat popcorn. Ganahan kong mukaon og popcorn. Ganahan kong mukaon og rice. Ganahan kay kong mukaon og humay. Humay means rice. Humay. Humay. Ganahan kay kong mukaon og saman. Sa may ganahan mukaonon. So you're going to say it. Ganahan kong or ganahan kong mukaon. Blah blah blah. Ganahan kung mukaon og mangga, ganahan kung mukaon og whatever. So you're going to say ganahan kung mukaon og, then just follow the thing that you want to eat, okay? So thank you for this time and see you in the next video. Bye bye.